Making homemade hot chocolate is a delightful and satisfying experience that brings warmth and comfort to cold winter days or serves as a cozy treat any time of the year. Creating this rich and creamy beverage is surprisingly easy and allows for customization according to personal taste. To begin, gather the following ingredients: milk, cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. The milk can be of one's choosing, whether it be whole, skim, almond, or any other preferred type. Start by heating the milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it reaches a simmer. While the milk is warming, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt in a separate bowl. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they're well mixed. Once the milk is simmering, gradually add the cocoa mixture to the saucepan, whisking continuously. This ensures that the cocoa powder dissolves smoothly into the milk. Keep whisking until the mixture becomes thick and velvety. At this point, add a splash of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Stir it into the hot chocolate and continue whisking until everything is fully combined. When the hot chocolate reaches the desired consistency and temperature, remove it from the heat and pour it into mugs. For an extra touch, top it off with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a dusting of cocoa powder. Now, it's time to savor the homemade hot chocolate. Take a sip and let the smooth, chocolatey goodness envelop your taste buds. Feel the warmth spread through your body, comforting and indulging you. Making homemade hot chocolate not only offers a delicious drink, but also allows for creativity and experimentation. You can adjust the sweetness, richness, or even add a hint of cinnamon or other spices to make it your own unique creation. So next time you're craving a cup of hot chocolate, skip the store-bought mix and try making your own. It's a delightful way to enjoy a timeless classic that brings happiness and coziness to each sip. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.